Hey everyone, are you on the lookout for a new serum that targets signs of aging? Then this video is for you. Today we are diving into Face Facts Polypeptide Serum. Yeah, I have my Polypeptide Serum here, and this is what we'll be talking about in this video. This product claims to firm your skin, revitalize your skin, and also helps with signs of aging. It helps to smooth the appearance of fine lines and also helps to get rid of wrinkles. So if you're having wrinkles on your face, you're noticing signs of aging, this product claims to be able to clear everything. That's what it does. So this is a polypeptide serum, and today I'll be reviewing these products and tell you the pros and the cons. Is it good? The price of this product, how much it costs in the market, where you can get the best of this product, where you can get like the good ones. Beware of fake things in the market, where you can get like the original of this product, and how much it will cost, and what it does to your skin. Is this product really good as it sounds? Like, are they all the things they talk about in this product, is it really true? This and more is what we'll be talking about in this video, so let's find out. But if you're new here, you're welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm Anita Akoja. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, we'll talk about skincare, beauty tips, and skincare routines to help to give you a flawless, radiant, and beautiful skin. So if you love skincare, do well to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Like this video, share your comments with me. Feel free to ask your questions in the comment section, and also share this video. So let's dive straight into the video. First, let's start with product overview. So this Face Facts is made by Face Facts. Yes, Face Facts Polypeptide Serum. So it's meant to target dull skin, fine lines, revitalize your skin. It's supposed to smooth fine lines and wrinkles for you. It's supposed to, help with your skin elasticity. That's what it is made for. Alright, so it smooths the appearance of your fine lines and wrinkles. It's good for skin firming. Yes, that's what this product is actually for, and it's something you can use morning and evening. Morning, AM and PM. It contains polypeptide, it contains rice protein, it contains lavender. Yes, so all these are meant to improve the texture of your skin. These are hydrating ingredients that are meant to help to improve the appearance of your skin, to give you a healthy looking skin. The second thing we'll be dealing with is the key ingredients and the benefits of this serum. The key ingredients in this serum is polypeptide. That's why it's called the polypeptide serum. If you're losing collagen production in your body naturally produces collagen, but if you're losing the production of collagen, like you're not having enough collagen in your body, polypeptide serums help to maintain and support your collagen production, give you like a brighter, fresher, and healthier look on your skin. The second ingredient in this is hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a powerful hydrator that helps to smoothen your skin. It helps to give you a smooth skin. It helps to give you a youthful skin. Yes, that's what it does. It helps to give you a plump skin. It helps to plump your skin. Hyaluronic acid also helps to keep your skin looking youthful and hydrated. That's what it does. So it also contains rice protein. What does rice protein do to your skin? Rice protein will help to revitalize dull skin. It will help to boost firmness and elasticity of your skin. It will also help to improve your skin texture. So these are the ingredients. We have polypeptide, we have rice protein, and hyaluronic acid. These are the three ingredients in this polypeptide serum. And these ingredients, these are the things they do to help to boost your skin, help to revitalize your skin, help to improve dullness and everything. So now I'm going to share my experience. I'm just going to open it. I've used like almost half, like I'm almost done with this. Like I've used like half of this product, and honestly I love the finishing, I love the feeling. It's lightweight, yeah, highly concentrated. As you all know, serums are highly concentrated. It's highly concentrated, it's lightweight, and it helps, it's smooth on my skin. I love it. Doesn't leave any residue on my face. It just blends. When I just drop like 3 or 4 drops, where I apply it, I just drop 1, 2, 3, 4. So I apply it all over my face and under my neck, on my neck as well. So these are places that I apply, and it doesn't leave any residue on my face. It doesn't, it's not sticky. it just blends with my skin and just smoothens my skin. And I notice I don't have all those, if I smile before I notice some little, I don't notice anything anymore. It just blends, and it's just a perfect lightweight serum for anyone. And it refreshes, and also, like, it doesn't have any real fragrance or any kind. It's just the perfect fragrance free, and it's just very okay. And I use it twice daily, morning and evening, morning and night, before going to bed. And anytime I have my bath in the morning, I use it twice daily, morning and night. It's comfortable on the skin, and it makes it very easy for me to layer it with other products. After using it, I use it after I use my toner. After using my toner, I use my serum. Then after my serum, I use my moisturizer. So it makes it very easy. It blends naturally and very easy with other products that I use it with. So it's very, very good. This polypeptide serum is one of the best. I wanted it to, give me that firmness on my skin. I was targeting fine lines and wrinkles and signs of aging, and I wanted a radiant and bright appearance. So that's why I went for it, and I noticed all of it. Like, it's giving me what I want. It's highly hydrating, well hydrating. It's giving me a hydrated skin, and it's giving me firmness. Like, I notice my skin is looking more radiant. I notice the dullness on my skin is reducing. Yeah, the result I notice about this. So while it doesn't really target aging overnight, yes, we all know signs of aging is not overnight. You notice it, but in a subtle way. I'm noticing it in a subtle way that it's targeting signs of aging for me and dullness. It definitely helps to making my skin looking firmer and more elastic. Yes, I noticed that helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines in a subtle way. I've noticed that, and it's not an overnight thing, but gradually I'm noticing it in a gradual way and in a subtle way. So I'll definitely keep using it to see how it works. The more you use it, the more you notice it when you're consistent. So I love what I am getting for now, the results I'm seeing with it on my face. I am loving it. So the pros and the cons. For the pros, it is lightweight and fast absorbing. It is not expensive. It's very affordable. I got it for 4,500 at H Medics. So it's not expensive. It's highly affordable. 4,000, not even up to 5K. Highly affordable, and is lightweight and fast absorbing. Yes, so your skin will definitely absorb it quickly, and is lightweight. It's not heavy on the skin. It's not sticky. It's not flaky. It hydrates and firm my skin, which I love. It is suitable for all skin type, and it also hydrates and firm my skin. For the cons is that the result takes time. It's not something you notice immediately. You have to use it for like a month or two before you start noticing it. But if you're consistent, you definitely notice the result. It's not a fast action serum that you notice after 2 weeks. Everything takes time. So the cons is that it's not fast as you expect, but you have to keep using it to notice the difference. Over time, you definitely notice the difference. Then it doesn't really target deep wrinkle. Like, if you're having deep wrinkles, it won't really target it for you. So if you're more older and you're aging more, it won't really target it. It's good for people from like 30, 40 that are noticing signs of wrinkles. You're noticing it. It's not like you have wrinkles. If you're fresh beginner that is having wrinkle, it will help to target and help it. Like for me, I'm 40, in my early 40s, so it's good for people like me. But if I'm in my 60s, I should look for a more deeper signs of serum that will target aging, but not targeting signs of aging. Target real aging. Do you understand? So this one targets signs of aging. That's you're just aging, and you want something that will help to slow it down, but not something that is aged already that you want to target. Like, it will not work for you, because it works gently and in a subtle way, not in a fast way. Do you understand? So this polypeptide serum is very good if you're targeting signs of aging, and it's very affordable. So Will I use this product again? Definitely. I'll definitely use this serum again. I love it. I love the result I'm getting. It's one of the best of the best. So I'll definitely try it again. And I'll advise you, looking for serum to use to target aging, this is one of the best for you, alright? So, and don't expect fast results. Just use it over time. You definitely see how effective it is. Try it. A trial will convince you, alright? For more anti-aging skincare tips, watch this playlist. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you find it helpful. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips. Thank you all for watching. I'm Anita Akoja, and I'll see you on the next one.